Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us again. Getting ready to tell you about the recap for the month of May. I got a lot of interesting stats I want to share with you. Basically, inventory is so low right now. The market's on fire if you're a seller. Um, I heard about a deal in Northridge this week where a lady that I know, an agent, received 34 offers for her home in Northridge. So we're seeing quite unprecedented demand from buyers. Um, Buyers have really attractive interest rates that they're working with right now, and we have extremely low inventory. So if you're a seller, now is the time to get in the market. All right, so let me share my screen, and let's dive right in to what's going on. Let's see. Okay, right over here, these are the last 7 days stats, so I'll go over them quickly. Um, there's some really interesting stuff. Coming soon, there's 214 in the last 7 days. New listings, 1,770. 1,018 had price changes. Back on the markets is 375. That's going down a little bit less because a lot of more people are coming back on the market, but our inventory is still extremely low. Okay, here's the two numbers that I really quickly want to focus on for the last 7 days, and then we'll recap the month of May. Is active under contracts 1,069, pendings 1,084. Okay, if you add those two numbers together, they're north of 2,100. And if you see here, new listings is below 1,800, which is a surplus of over 300. So guess what? We're in a strong seller's market. And by the way, this is for all of Los Angeles and Ventura County combined. Okay, closed sales, 1,039. That's fantastic. Okay, you can still get a loan. It's not impossible. It's a great time to buy, and your interest rate will be extremely low. Sellers, this is the time. I know it's a little bit harder with showings, but we're working with it, and we're making it happen. Okay, expireds, there's 383 that are absorbed back in, and holds 255, and then 110 withdrawn. Okay, so that's the last 7 days. Let's take a look over here. These are new listings. This graph is for, starts over here January, but I want to show you, this is May of 2019. This is Los Angeles County and Ventura County. There's the number right there. Those were the new listings. Okay, a year ago, at this point in time, Los Angeles County had 9,256. Ventura County had 1,222 new listings in the month of May 2019. Let's go over here. May of 2020, you can see the number is a lot lower. Okay, a lot lower. Los Angeles County is missing 3,000 listings. Ventura County is missing like 1,000. Okay, inventory is low. What does that mean for sellers? There's a huge demand and it's a seller's market. Okay, if you were thinking about when is the right time to sell, well, here's the stats that tell you. All right, let's look at active listings. Okay, in May 2019, we had 17,723 in LA County and a little over 2,700 in Ventura County. And if you go to May of this year, look at how much less we have. Okay, 13,457 and 2,000. Again, low inventory. All right, now I know everybody wants to know what's happened to prices. Okay, so prices a year ago, these are averages, okay? Average price. Ventura County, 610,000. LA County, 630,000. Okay, now we go 1 year, it's about the same. Okay, 610,000 in Ventura County, 635,000 in LA County. But if you see what was going on in March before the whole quarantine started, prices were going up. Okay, so the number that you're seeing right here for May, these are escrows that were opened in March at the height of COVID or in April. Okay, and now they've closed at some point in time in May. So of course, that's when everybody was, going crazy because we didn't know what was going to happen. And a lot of buyers were coming in demanding their COVID coronavirus discount. And a lot of sellers, you know, they had no idea what was going to happen. So they caved to the pressure of these buyers. And that's why we're seeing the reduced sales prices. Well, if I could show you, too bad I don't have a graph. It's not possible to have one of what's going on in the market right now. If you have a home that's priced right and it's in good condition and you make it available for the buyers to get in and see it with the proper marketing, you're getting multiple offers over asking price. Okay, that's what's happening right now. So I guarantee you when we do the June and July recap, this graph is going to be going up. Guaranteed. Okay. All right. So basically, let me show you a little bit more specific zip codes. Okay. And here we have Porter Ranch. Okay. This is a much more up-to-date look at what's going on in Porter Ranch. So median list price, I have a listing coming out in Porter Ranch in the next week or two. It's going to be fantastic. I'm expecting to blow the doors off of it. Median list price is $1,125,000. Okay, that's going up a little bit. This graph over here is what I really want to talk about. This is the market action index. How's the market? Okay, so if you look at this needle, it's right up here, it's pointing at the 50. Well, this line right here at the 30, that's where they consider a buyer's market. Anything below 30 is considered a buyer's market. Anything above 30 is considered a seller's market. Well, here we are at 50. I haven't seen a 50 since 2014. This means we're in a strong seller's market. If anybody remembers the market in 2013 and 14, it was similar to what's going on today. Low inventory, multiple offers, properties being bought over asking price. Okay, that's Porter Ranch. Look what's going on over here in Thousand Oaks. Okay, Thousand Oaks. We're at a 56. 56. Okay, now's the time. If you've been thinking about selling, you got to get in touch with me. Okay, I'm paying for your home inspection up front. I'm getting that out of the way when the buyers come into the house to see it, and then I get to email them right away a home inspection report, fully detailed, goes through the whole house. There's no surprises. They write their offer based on what they see, and they're never more in love with your home when that day they decide to write an offer, and then they get that home inspection report, so everything's out there in the clear. You're getting a real offer. I'm going to give you a $500 credit towards any of those repairs at the close of escrow. Okay, $500 to credit any repairs at the close of escrow, and I'm also going to credit you $1,000 towards your closing costs at the close of escrow. So you can't go wrong. You got to give me a call, and we're going to talk about a seller strategy meeting. Westlake Village has a little bit less demand. It's still a strong seller's market, but what you got to understand about Westlake Village, look at the median price. It's $3,025,000. Okay, the pool of buyers looking for a home in that price range is very small. Still a slight seller's advantage, however, because the inventory is low and the buyer demand is high. Okay, so I'm going to stop my screen share, and I really want to encourage you, if you're thinking about buying, get in touch with me. I'll do a buyer consultation with you. We'll sit down, we'll discuss strategy. I have 3 different strategies to write offers and get your loan formally underwritten. So when we write your offer, you're coming in with a way better offer that's more competitive, that can also save you money, because we're going to have a shorter escrow. And these are the ways that I win these multiple offer situations for buyers regularly. Okay. I have referrals that I can send you to that we've gone through this process and we won them the house their dreams. 2, sellers, get in touch with me because I got my special offer going now through the end of June. Okay, $500 credit towards any repairs. I'm paying for your home inspection up front. Buyers love seeing the home inspection up front when they're thinking about writing an offer. They're in love with your home. They get that home inspection report. Everything's out there. It's in the clear. You get a real offer. $1,000 towards credit towards your closing costs at the close of escrow. Okay, get in touch with me. I'm Josh Brenner. I'm at Compass Real Estate. It's been great chatting with you. I hope you enjoy the stats. That was the recap for the month of May 2020. See ya.